do my crosswalk button experience at East 7th Avenue and East Atlantic Avenue. Let's do this one. So to cross 7th Avenue, push button for walk signal. This must be this one right there. See that? And this one might be something else. So
that is the perfect.
And then here's the other one right there. The Parola. No, no. This is the. This one might be the Pro. 1 second. Now we're gonna be crossing East Atlantic Avenue. So I'm gonna wait for that traffic light to turn green, and then, yes. So as you can see, that walk sign over there, or I can say this walk sign over there turned on, and that walk sign over there turned on. See that? The gray pedestrian guy. It says Palm Beach, Florida, Palm Beach County, Florida. But I'm not at home. I'm at the I'm at Delray right now. But yeah. Okay, red light turned on. Watch it turn green. Watch it turn green. Okay. So this one does not even have seconds on this one, but yeah, it's really cool. So that's my crosswalk button experience in 7th Street and Atlantic Avenue.